This is the Greenote True HEPA Air Purifier. Let's take it out of the box. In the box you get the user manual, the power adapter, and of course the unit itself. It has touch controls on the top and basically will just sit there and do its thing. It'll purify the air in your average room. Now, as stated before, this is a true HEPA filter, and it will filter 99.97% of ultrafine particles. It takes care of smoke, dust, pollen, pet dander, stuff like that. And it also has a timer mode and a sleep mode. The timer can go 2, 4, or 8 hours, where after that time expires it will shut off. And the sleep mode is actually a speed of the fan where it's very, very quiet. So let me get this plugged in and we'll test it out. Your power connection goes right in the back. You can run that any way you want. The bottom of the unit has a base on it that you turn like that, and that reveals the HEPA filter. This is wrapped in plastic, so you do need to open it and remove the plastic bag it's in. Here's the HEPA filter itself. It's good for 3 to 6 months, depending. And what's also nice, if you notice this mesh on it, that's like a pre-filter. So if there's a lot of like pet hair or anything like that, it'll get caught in that, and you can actually just take this out and brush it off and get a lot more airflow out of it. But it just fits right inside. You put the cover on and get it seated in there, and then give it a twist to lock. I apologize, I actually misspoke earlier. The night mode actually just shuts the lights on the display, but they're really not very bright to begin with. So, like I said, it's all touch control. We'll just go ahead and turn it on. Yes, it does have a tone. And it goes to medium right there automatically. The air comes out the top and is drawn in from the bottom. It's very quiet even on medium. We'll rev it up to high. You can hear it. It's not overly loud. Just creates a little bit of white noise. Really pretty quiet all around. If you wanted to adjust your timer, you could do 2, 4, or 8 hours, or turn it back off. Simple as that. Like I said, the night mode just shuts the lights and it will rev the fan down to the lower speed. We'll take that off, and I'm going to go over to low speed. The fan runs really smooth in here, so it takes a moment for it to like rev all the way down to low. So we'll just give this another moment or so, and that should be it. Almost imperceptible. You're hearing it a lot better than I can because the camera is right here next to it. There is some airflow. It's not great on low, but it depends how much you need to filter. Medium is very quiet as well. High will give you the best filtration, but you do hear it. And again, the night mode will turn off the lights and send it down to low speed. I think medium really gives you the best combination of airflow and noise level. It's on medium now. You can tell it's there, but it's very, very quiet as it is. So all around, it's pretty nice. High again will give you the best airflow, but you certainly will hear it. And low is pretty much imperceptible. I'm about 2 feet away at this point. I could just barely notice it. So it's extraordinarily quiet on low. Another nice feature that this air purifier has is it can recover from power outages automatically. Despite the fact that it has electronic controls, it remembers. For example, I have it on high right now, and if I go ahead and pull the cord out, obviously it shuts off, the display goes out, and that's it. Now when I plug it back in, there's a short delay, and it turns back on and goes right back up to high, right where it was. So I'll show you again. If it's on low, it's just revving down to that. I'll unplug it. It shuts off, and we'll go ahead and plug it back in. Short delay later, it turns back on low. All around, a great true HEPA air purifier from Greenote. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.